Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change USDT to Euro on Coinbase wallet. In order to do that, first of all you have to log in into your Coinbase. Just simply click on this sign up button. If you have already an account, you can just click on the sign in button. Now from here, after logging in the page, you will on the web page click on the buy and sell in the Coinbase. On the mobile tab, you have to click on the buy on sale at the bottom of the screen and then select the convert. Now select the USDT and Euro. As you can see here in the screenshot, this is a different screenshot, but this is very similar to that. You can just simply click the convert option. As you can see here, just click USDT and choose here from Euro. Now choose like select euro as the currency you want to convert. Now from here you have to enter the amount, specify how much amount you want to withdraw or convert into euro. Now click on the preview to convert to see the conversation details including any fees. If everything's look good, confirm the transaction by clicking on convert. So this is how you can change the USDT to euro on Coinbase wallet.